getting out there? Well, no, I've asked a lot of girls to dance, Mom. They're just, it's not... What she did? Listen to me for a second. Yes, I shake the back of my neck. Oh my God. Mom, I gotta go. One of my friends is getting beaten up by some girls. I'm okay. No, I'm not. Welcome, children of the Scranton Industrial Park community. Join your gangster pumpkin on his pallet truck of doom. Don't worry about a thing. Rest assured you'll see me later.
I saw a friend today, it had been a while, and we forgot each other's names. But it didn't matter, 'cause deep inside, the feelings still remain the same.
And a family-owned motorcycle store, Jim and Dwight Schrupert. I was the dynamic, likable winner that was doted upon by Mom.
This one's called Earthrise on the Moon.
That's so beautiful.